unforgettable, remaining ever vivid and heartwarming. Kaya naman each and any one of us, napapangiti na lang sa tuwing maaalala ang mga nakalipas. Kasama ang barkada, si special someone, maging ang buong klase. Kaya naman ang alumni ng Angeles University Foundation College of Nursing Class of 1977, iniimbitahan ang kanilang mga kabatch sa kanilang gaganaping homecoming. At kaugnay niyan, makakasama natin sina Miss Rose Aquino-Salangad, Miss Khaye Hannings at Miss Beth Dizon-Ocampo, ang mga organizers ng Nativity 1977 reunion. Magandang umaga po, ma'am.
Magandang umaga po.
Pang ilang taon na po ba itong in-organize na homecoming sa batch ninyo?
Actually po, most of the time yearly kami nag-ano, kahit mini-mini lang.
But this one is the biggest.
Yeah, this one is the biggest. Yeah.
So,
And,
bakit po Nativity yung tawag sa organization?
Actually, we are the second batch of Angeles University, 1977. So the dean was then Mrs. Natividad Espiritu, after her name. But now she's dead already. So she's the director, our dean, who popularized nursing at Angeles City. Yeah.
And ano po itong mga activities na aabangan ng ating mga kabatch po sa homecoming?
siguro po itong ano ito is like castle bonding and a chance to reminisce ano po yung and rekindle our nursing school days again. Sana po sa mga classmates naming hindi nagpaparandam or hindi namin makontak. This is a very good opportunity na ma-invite namin sila ngayon. No?
Bali, ilan po yung inaasahan po natin mag-a-attend sa homecoming?
We are expecting maybe 20 or could be more. Sana.
And these are all here in the Philippines or meron pong nasa ibang
From the
bansa?
States, different parts, yeah.
And nakapag-commit na po sila na mag-a-attend?
Others, yes. Pero yung mga hindi pa namin nakikita, I hope they will commit.
So ito pong batch 1977, syempre ito yung mga panahon na may fashion statement talaga, yung mga music. Ano po ba yung mga maaalala ng mga kabatch natin dadalo sa homecoming? Ano, pwede po kayo magkwento kahit very short lang nung nag-aaral kayo na hindi nyo makakalimutan?
Sa mga music.
Yung usong damit noon.
Bell-bottom.
Yes. And uso na naman po yan ngayon. I'm sure sa homecoming, mapag-uusapan nyo na naman yan. So, kumusta naman po yung mga iba yung mga kabatch? Siyempre, nakapag-communicate na kayo sa iba. Paano nyo po sila na-contact? Is it through social media or
Through social
personal?
media.
Actually, for me, no? Kasi matagal din akong wala dito sa Philippines. I saw them through Facebook. So,
Malaking tulong.
Oo, malaking tulong. Tatanong ka kung magkilala mo ba yun, ganun. So, doon kami nagkaroon ng communication. Mostly sa United States, yung nasa USA. Doon kami nagkaroon ng communication.
And I hear this is a homecoming for a cause. Sino po yung beneficiary natin at bakit ito po yung napili natin?
We are planning to visit the Bahay Pag-ibig and some other less fortunate brothers and sisters. Kagaya sa Marcos Village, yung mga aitas na wherein we spend our community service during our student days. Doon kami pupunta and then titingin pa kami ng mga na sa mga nangangailangan ng tulong. And our classmates abroad would like to share their blessings to our to our other classmates that stayed behind here kasi hindi naman lahat nakapag-abroad and they work here mostly in the government hospitals sila nagtatrabaho.
Balikan po natin yung mga memorable moments ninyo nung nag-aaral pa kayo. Can you share your personal experience?
Yung sa akin nung sa Marcos Village kami, kasi syempre no, yung mga katutubo, yun ang na-serve namin doon. So, ang saya-saya kasi ang ng mga tao doon, minsan gumagawa ng mga bracelet, kung bibigyan ka, ganon. Ang sarap sa kanila, yung trabaho dun sa...
How about sa class?
Ang sa akin naman
classroom?
ho, yung our affiliation at the Clark Air Force Base Hospital din, no? Sayang, ang pinatubo, pinaalis niya ang Clark Air Force Base Hospital. And during those affiliations and exposures, we learn how to use the different American gadgets, ano? During those days, meron na silang mga ultrasound dyan, mga CT scan. Tayo, late behind tayo ng konti. So, at that, years na nandun kami, we started our affiliation in 1973 to 1977. And we learned a lot of American hospital setup.
And Miss King,
Me, I remember every Friday night.
ano po yung ginagawa
Lakwatsa
natin?
na lakwatsa.
Ah.
No, I mean,
Saan po kayo
with
madalas nun tumatambay ba?
Sa Balibago, sa Angeles. Kay Bench House. We stay there, banding.
At hanggang ngayon po, no, yung bonding ninyo ay
Yeah.
parang kailan lang.
Kailan.
Ganun,
Actually, every time umuwi si
Almost
Bench.
every year, ne?
Almost every year. Umuwi siya. So, tinatawag ka,
Magkikita-kita,
no?
oo.
The same face lang. Kaya nga, nakapunta
Yeah, we
kami
want to
rin.
see other face.
Yeah, he wants to
Not
see
only
other
our
faces.
Okay, so invite po natin ang ating mga kabatch na dumalo sa ating homecoming.
I would like to invite all Nativity 77 to please attend on January 26 and 27. That is from morning till night until the following day. And please lang, yung mga hindi pa namin nakikita ng matagal na, please do attend. We are doing all the effort. Benji especially is doing all the effort to make this a lively one and a successful one. Thank you.
In behalf of Benji David, our class president, and the Nativity 77 batch of the Angeles University Foundation College of Nursing, we would like to inform you that we are having our 42nd year reunion on January 26 to 27, 2019 at Benji's residence in Balibago, Angeles City.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at tuloy-tuloy lang ang balitaan dito sa CLTV 36. Ito ang Mornings at Central Luzon.